Hello and welcome to another weekly market outlook. This week my name is Stanislav Bernikov. I'm a senior trading specialist here at Exness, and in this video I'll share with you a potential idea for trading for this week. But before tuning into this week's idea, let's check the performance of a previous week's idea. It was a potential long position for GBP/JPY at around support level of 186.60. The idea was generally correct, though the currency pair displayed increased volatility, but the conditions still stay unchanged, so it still can rally as projected. Today on our list is AMD, as we are continuing to introduce you opportunities from the US stock market. Advanced Micro Devices is a leading chip company that goes hand in hand with NVIDIA, but it has 5 times less capitalization than NVIDIA, so volatility of the stock might be greater. After having rallied towards 180 price, it had built a chart formation which was broken not so long ago, and now the price is going down to retest the trend line of this formation, which is aligned to the 20-day moving average, which is also the dynamic support level and may lead to the pullback. So it's possible to consider a buying position in case AMD stock plummets to the area between 165 and 170, especially if we have some candlestick pattern or any other confirmation for buying. What is the foundation of this idea? First of all, the sentiment for chip stocks is quite bullish right now, as some of the chip stocks are rallying pretty nicely, including Taiwan Semiconductor and NVIDIA. Secondly, AMD ranks the first in a group according to Investor Business Daily ratings thanks to its EPS earnings. There are strong expectations about earnings per share parameter for the upcoming year, and that usually boosts the momentum. What are the factors to be aware of? There are no important publications scheduled in the economic calendar for this week. However, there are a bunch of earnings to be published this week for large companies in the United States, including Eli Lilly, Walt Disney, and others. Generally, whenever we have strong corporate earnings across the board, semiconductor industry sensitively reacts on that and may also continue to go up. In summary then, the idea for today is potential buy for AMD in the area between 165 and 170, particularly when we see any confirmation or engulfing pattern or anything similar. Sentiment for chip stocks is generally positive, especially speaking of the correlation of AMD with NVIDIA and other stocks, so it is a bullish factor. Among other important publications, it's worth monitoring earnings releases of large US companies such as Eli Lilly, Walt Disney, and others. Don't forget, this is just the idea, do your own research and never forget to manage your risk.